Welcome. In front of me is a REALME 10 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications straight from the top. This will show us our toggles, and when you extend them, you can hopefully find a screen recording toggle. Now, if it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the side and hopefully you can see it on the second one, which is where the toggle is for me. So as you can see, it's right over here. Now once you see this toggle, you can either tap on it to immediately start recording, or you can hold it and it will take you to the settings, where you can just change some of the general settings that are chosen by default for you. What I would recommend changing is most certainly things like the definition, which is set to medium, I believe, by default. So I would recommend setting it to high. This will give you a 1080p resolution with 16 megabits per second, giving a pretty nice and clear image. Another thing that I can change is the refresh rate, and change it to 30. Apparently we don't have a 60 Hertz refresh rate here as a choice, even though this display I believe runs at 120. A little bit of an oof right here, but it is what it is. So anyway, once you have changed the settings here to fit your needs, you can close this and now find the toggle once more and simply tap on it. Now this gives us this overlay with recording sound, microphone closing, and obviously just start recording. And there we go. So whatever you'll do right now obviously will be recorded by the phone. And once you're done with it, you can interact with this and select the check mark, and this will automatically save our screen recording to our gallery application. Now, one thing to keep in mind is when you start recording, the entire device's refresh rate gets locked to 30 frames for some reason. It's not only that it's recording at 30 frames, it's also running the entire screen at that refresh rate. And anyway, let's get into the photos. You can then navigate to library, and in here, screenshots, and you can see it right here. Now it's not a screenshot, it's a screen recording, but the phone basically bunches those two different things together in a screenshot folder or album. Now when you press on it, it will start recording it. So there we go. As you can see, that is a screen recording. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.